first unit, Glimpses of World Civilization History. We live on this earth because it has air and water for life. In this chapter, we will talk about the evolution of man or the developed man known as Homo sapiens and the society he formed. In social study, you have read about different civilizations. So here in GK, we will read about some developed civilization of the world. Civilization means a society which has its own highly developed culture and way of life. हिंदी में इसको हम सभ्यता कहते हैं. We begin with the Mesopotamian civilization. It means the land between the rivers. The alluvial plains lying between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers gave birth to one of the oldest civilizations of the world. These areas comprise parts of modern-day Iraq and Syria. King Hammurabi of Babylonia gave a set of written laws for the first time in history. The Mesopotamians developed a lunar calendar. They also developed the tables of division and multiplication. Hebrew originated in Sumeria. Now we will read about Egyptian civilization. This civilization flourished in the eastern part of North Africa along the lower parts of the Nile River around 4500 BC. The Pyramid Age was known as the first golden age of this civilization. Its rulers were called pharaohs. They believed in life after death. Therefore, they built huge pyramids to save their mummified dead bodies. They used hieroglyphics or pictographs instead of letters. Flooding of the Nile provided them a fertile land for farming. Now we will read about Chinese civilization. This civilization developed in the valleys of Huahe, means Yellow River, and the Yangtze River. Jia dynasty was its first known dynasty. The Zhou dynasty became the longest lasting dynasty in its history. It ruled over 800 years. The Great Wall of China was the most famous project that was launched during the Qin dynasty. Now we will read about Greek civilization. This great civilization evolved out of two early cultures. Two major cities, Sparta and Athens, developed during this period. The Athenian period saw a wonderful development in these fields of art, science, and philosophy. Homer, Aeschylus, Sophocles, Euripides, and Aristophanes were great writers. Aristotle, Plato, Socrates were the great philosophers of this period. Alexander the Great extended his empire from Asia Minor, Egypt, Mesopotamia, Persia, and to River Jhelum. Roman civilization. A legend says that Rome was founded by a young man named Romulus about 753 BC. The Roman Empire began when Augustus Caesar became the first emperor of Rome. In the end, the Roman Empire was divided into Eastern and Western empires with their capitals Constantinople and Rome respectively. Indus Valley Civilization. This great civilization is also called the Harappan civilization. It was basically a very advanced urban civilization. It flourished between 3000 BC and 1300 BC. It extended well into Rajasthan, Punjab, and Gujarat. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were the two main cities. The ruins of buildings and other household articles, implements, weapons of war, gold and silver ornaments, seals, toys, and pottery wares show that a highly developed urban civilization flourished in this region. Islamic Arab civilization. From 7th to 12th century, Islam dominated the political and cultural map of the world. Prophet Muhammad was the founder of Islam. He was born at Mecca. At 40, he received his revelations and began to preach in 610 AD. These revelations were compiled in the Quran, the holy book of Muslims. The Arabs occupied North Africa, Egypt, and many parts of Asia, including the Central Asia and Northern India. I hope you have understood this unit. Read again and fill the space given against each civilization. Okay, children? Take care.